In manufacturing, the plan and the shop floor are often treated like two separate worlds. APS helps determine what should happen and when. MES manages what is actually happening in production. The problem starts when planning and execution are disconnected. The schedule may look good, but the shop floor may be dealing with a very different reality. Downtime, changeovers, labor constraints, material shortages, and quality holds can quickly make a static schedule unreliable. APS should send the plan to MES. Schedules, work orders, operation sequences, resource assignments, priorities, and material requirements. MES should send reality back to APS, actual starts, completions, production progress, equipment status, delays, scrap, yield, and quality holds. That feedback loop helps planners adjust based on real production conditions instead of assumptions. This matters even more in semiconductor and electronics manufacturing, where high-mix production, shared resources, reentrant flows, and yield events can change the plan fast. A strong Siemens Op Center partner understands that APS to MES connectivity is not just technical integration, it is process alignment. The goal is closed-loop manufacturing, a schedule that reflects reality, and execution data that helps the business respond faster. Start with a practical 90-day Op Center APS to MES roadmap. Connected manufacturing can help you get there.